hatu mbazira kukoma nweja kwikana babarora ngo kumuru kugenda ngo kumuru kwetwaza mbantu. Are you reconciliatory? Rundi your hardline mugireke muorobera abantu nabayija kubasagika kandi mwikara n'umwebembera. Ekya kabiri muteranize abantu babanyangabo na muno enganda zonna. Ekyokozere Catholic Church nikyokole mu Church of Uganda naba Pentecostal kabebeka abasiramu abo abe muzikiti niyo nasiba muka. So muteranize abantu bona babanyangabo numwija kwebembera kurungi numutunga n'obuhangazi mu bwebembezi bwanyu. Mule kubaza nubora rugire mu bwebembezi hereza abantu babo. Kansabe n'abantu bagenzi bayita batarasubayire kurabamu bayikane n'bahereza abantu hako muri bebembezi. Ebiro byo kuraheza ba MPs masire kubitaho 13 14 15 May kandi imbarahiriza hali ha steps za parliament kandi inja no kutekaho emikoro yona nja kita TV na babunyangabo yona mwija girora.
Unit eno ya bunyangabo let's cascade it upwards ebe unit ya Tooro leke tuimere as a united force turabazaga bagambe Tooro ebalize mugambere n'abandi ito tujakora hamwe kandi kwataniza hawe kurakorana ya Tooro ekini mwasemeza muno kutangira kurunja apoli
abantu bona bahwaya abembezi bitu babinyangabo bona twabakintwek difficulties zone ziturabiremu disunity yone nyakubere mu binyangabo hatehoyiremo abantu abakintu kimwe hate kikuru we are focusing on kukora abantu no koyimucyanga abantu babinyangabo no kurarangwa kicoka cya binyangabo cyagenda maiso nisaba abembezi bona ababere bine mwakantu kona gamba nankanta mukome nabakomi nywena ababini bagamba sara nyo tinkumwenda oni tinkumwenda hatubireke deka tube kintu ek
nkija kutuyamba kutaho enkoragana no kuongera kumanyangana no kusharinga ideas nebizibu bitwine mu bichweke bitakusana mbere tukuruga.
We pray that they sit in parliament to organize themselves in good ways, but also make sure that the laws they are passing, the policies and everything, the use of the money of the citizens is used for the benefit of the majority of the Ugandans, not only for a few people in this country. So basically, that's our appeal as citizens to all members of parliament that have been elected in this upcoming parliament.